Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money from Binance US to Trust Wallet. We'll cover selecting your cryptocurrency, finding the correct addresses, and confirming your transaction securely. This guide ensures a smooth transfer process, helping you manage your digital assets effectively. Understanding each step is key to a successful transfer. Let's get started with the first steps on Binance US. First, log into your Binance US account and go to your wallet. Select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, choose the withdraw option. It's crucial to select Send via crypto network for external transfers. Remember that withdrawal fees apply, varying based on the asset and network conditions. Always review these fees before proceeding with your transfer. Now, open your Trust Wallet application. Select the cryptocurrency you intend to receive. Tap the Receive button, which will show your unique wallet address and a QR code. Copy this address to your clipboard. This is a critical step. Ensure the network displayed in Trust Wallet, such as BEP20 or ERC20, exactly matches the network you will select on Binance US. A mismatch can result in lost funds. Back on Binance US, paste the Trust Wallet address you copied into the withdrawal address field. Enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Double-check all details, the address, the network, and the amount. You will likely need to complete two-factor authentication for security. After confirming, the transfer will begin. Transaction times vary, but you can track its progress using the transaction ID on a blockchain explorer. You will receive a notification when funds arrive in Trust Wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.